Okay, so next I'm going to show you the inbox, like how to best use our inbox. Okay, so first thing is the filter. Okay, you can select to do, doing, done. Okay, for now just select all so you understand more. Okay, so direction, you can also select inbound only or inbound and outbound. Okay, this is the particular leads if you are looking for some composition of a particular leads. Okay, or maybe particular stages. Okay, for now let's keep it like that. Okay, as you can see, done, doing, etc. So when new leads comes in, right, they are automatically set as to do. Okay, and then for example, let's say you have a lot of incoming messages and then you need to clear off. So for example, okay, let's say this person, okay, you look at the message already, okay, you think that, okay, let's come back to this later. You can put under doing. Okay, let's say this is also doing. And then you reply this person already, then put done. Okay, and then go through all your to-do. Okay, until you're done already. Okay, next, then you go back to your doing. Okay, come back to the filter here. Okay, right, and just go on the doing until you clear all. Okay, and that will be all for the inbox. Sorry, okay, there are more. Okay, so when you click inside, these are the conversation. If you want to send template, send message, you can just send from here. So all the WhatsApp is integrated in our system already. So you can only WhatsApp with the lead through the system. Okay, Smiley, Central, attachment. Okay, this will be a template. You just click and then send. So it's easy. You know that, oh, okay, all these people, you are going to send like very standardized messages. Okay, because this is built for scale, so mainly you will be using templates to engage with the leads. Okay, it will be a lot easier.